B4 is based on two ideas. The first is that parents are great teachers. The second is that the sounds of a language should be learned as young as possible. Our video is easy to use. Pick something from the menu. Show enthusiasm and create interest. Focus on the screen and follow the cues. Just have fun with your child. Our videos use the latest research. Our method involves contrast, emphasis, and interaction with numerous voices.
Reload. Quiet, quiet, quiet.